Tired of homescom leads disappearing into the abyss? Let's bridge the gap and pump those leads directly into your Kvcore CRM like a pro. First, ensure you have admin access to both your homescom and Kvcore accounts. This is crucial for a smooth integration. Log into your homescom account and navigate to the Connect or Leads section, usually found in your profile settings or a dedicated dashboard area. Look for a lead routing or Connect to CRM button. It might be labeled slightly differently, but it's usually prominently displayed. Now, hop over to Kvcore, go to Marketing Autopilot, then select Lead Capture. You'll find the settings you need to generate a unique Kvcore lead capture email address. Kvcore will generate a special email address just for your lead integrations. Copy this email address. This is where your homescom leads will be sent. Back in homescom, paste the Kvcore-generated email address into the designated field for CRM integration or lead forwarding. Double-check that the email is correct to avoid losing leads. Test the integration by submitting a test lead through homescom. Then, check your Kvcore CRM to confirm the lead arrived successfully. Set up automated follow-up campaigns in Kvcore and watch your lead conversion soar.